Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to use PayPal for eBay payments. PayPal has long been one of the most popular and secure ways to pay for items on eBay, and even though eBay now uses its own managed payment system, many sellers still accept PayPal. When you're ready to purchase an item, go to Checkout. If the seller accepts PayPal, you'll see PayPal listed as a payment option. Simply select it and you'll be redirected to log in to your PayPal account. From there, you can choose how to pay, whether it's directly from your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card stored in your PayPal wallet. Once you confirm the payment, PayPal securely transfers the funds to the seller. You'll also receive a transaction confirmation in both your eBay account and your PayPal account, giving you proof of payment. Using PayPal also adds an extra layer of buyer protection, so if your item doesn't arrive or isn't as described, you may be eligible to open a case and request a refund. And that's how simple it is. To use PayPal for eBay payments, just select PayPal at checkout, log in, choose your payment method, and confirm. It's fast, safe, and still one of the easiest ways to shop on eBay. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.